I'm aiming for that 10 right there.
Yeah.
So look, I'm gonna show you. I got range. They don't call me Hawkeye for no reason. I'm trying to tell you, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Stop moving. Stop moving. What? I'm the papa. I'm the papa. I'm the papa. I'm the papa.
That's it. Bring it on in. Let's see what you did.
I was aiming for the center mass.
Hell, you don't know what you hit all them holes in it.
Nah, I know, because I almost shot headshot with 308. That probably right here, but that's what I'm aiming for. But hey, them 3 hits. Them 3 hits. He going down.
What we got here?
Shoot your 40?
You want to go ahead? Go ahead.
I'm good. Go ahead.
We in here, man. Go ahead.
Go ahead, bust a cap.
Go ahead.
I guess y'all done taping up now, huh?
No more tape.
God, 13 rounds.
Cal.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead.
Slow enough. Hey, put one on
Put it
small.
right in his forehead. Come on now.
Who?
That's you.
Forehead?
Right in his forehead.
Okay, forehead. It's already one right there in the forehead.
Put another one.
Huh?
Put another one. Let's see what you got. Hey, make pretend if you don't get him with this one bullet, he's gonna get you.
All right, one shot, one kill.
One shot, one kill.
All right.
Right here.
One shot, one kill. I got it right up. Oh, you want that one?
You only get one, man.
All right, one shot, one kill.
Come on. Come on, Hawkeye.
One shot, one kill, right?
Let's see what he can do. There you go.
Go ahead.
You rushed that one.
It was moving.
Let's see.
There's supposed to be one shot, one kill right here.
Forehead.
In the forehead.
That's forehead.
Nope.
Yeah, it is.
So you took his rag off his head then.
You missed him.
You took his rag off
His
his
whole head right there. That's his head.
He said he did that with holes in it.
What? Hey,
Hole over there.
huh?
Skinny count.
For one shot, one kill. Like,
Skinny count.
is that not a kill?
He got a headache.
Yeah, right. I blew half his damn. Oh, that shit gone. Oh, that shit gone. One shot, one kill. Hey,
All right.
No, I'm good. I'm good. That's sweet though. That's a good. That's a good
He
weapon.
did it.
Go ahead.
Huh?
He did it.
You
Don't
need to
want it.
put-
Come on, John.
You need to